Want to hold the bag?
Yes, no.
I'm planning my hair down.
Flounder at the base of the creek, and the Taku people are from the other side, called Where the Sun Rays Touch First, and Spirit Helper. Historical sources suggest some village sites on the Taku River and in the Juneau Douglas and Auk Bay areas had been inhabited for well over 750 years. So the Auk tribe and the Taku tribe have lived harmoniously and shared villages in this area for centuries. Chief Kawi was the leader of the Auk people when they occupied a village on Auk Bay, about 13 miles northwest of downtown Juneau. There were seasonal festivals associated with the harvest of herring during the spawning season. They then moved to another traditional Auk village site, founded by Tlingit ancestors in the heart of downtown Juneau, is known today as the Juneau Indian Village. Prospectors Richard Harris and Joe Juneau were sent to the Auk region by George Pills, a businessman and mining engineer from Sitka. After trading much of their grubstake for home brew, they returned to Pills empty-handed, but were promptly sent back to try again. In 1880, Chief Kawi revealed to Juneau and Harris the presence of gold in Silver Bow's Basin Gold Creek, after which Juneau was founded in the same year. After the discovery of gold in the area, Harris and Juneau carried approximately 1,000 pounds of gold ore back to Sitka for their investor, George Pills. The Juneau Gold Rush of 1880 resulted in some of the largest gold mines in the world, including the Treadwell mines on Douglas Island. Mayflower Island, across from the Douglas Indian Village, was a traditional subsistence site which yielded a once healthy herring run and spawn for tribal inhabitants. Tribal members spent winters at the Douglas Indian Village, while others built their homes in the Juneau Indian Village. Traditional use campsites were located south of downtown Juneau, on the shores of what is now Thane Road. Tribal members also spent summers at numerous fishing camps on the Taku River.
All right, folks, as we are slowly coming into the docking bay, the exits are in front of me. I need you guys to take a step back, please.